All right, y'all, here is my experience at Health and Hair and Wellness Hair Loss Center with my Crochet Maintenance Service. First of all, do you see this shine? Do you see this body? Do you see it, y'all? It's giving. And I'm even more excited about this particular style because the last time I was here, I received my initial crochet install and it wasn't looking like this. I mean, it was nice. Don't get me wrong. It was gorgeous, but it didn't look like this. Right now, my hair seems like it has more shine, more body. It's just beautiful. It's falling better. The curls are just naturally coming together, whereas they had a lot more elasticity when I initially got my service completed. And even though I've had this installing for about 2.5 weeks now, my braids are still tight. I was able to get my hair washed, conditioned, and detangled all during this process, and then restyled, recurled, refreshed. So if you are looking to get your crochet refreshed and transformed and transcended, come to see CJ at Health and Hair and Wellness Hair Loss Center today.